See, it says REC, record. What is this called? Do you remember?
Nope.
Lemon Cypress. So we have, okay.
Now we have a little mountain.
Yep.
Ponderosa Garden Adventures.
In here. Hi, it's Sharon from Ponderosa Garden Adventures, and I'm outside in my backyard today with my grandson Jason. He's here to help. Say hi, Jason.
Hi.
Okay, and we have, what is this plant called? What is this called? Do you remember?
Nope.
Lemon cypress. So we have two lemon cypress trees today that we're going to transplant. They're outgrown these containers, and we're going to transplant them into these bigger containers here.
Right here.
And Jason's going to help today. And so the first thing we're going to do, Jason is learning. He hasn't done this before.
They're so fluffy.
He did. He picked all the weeds. This was a pot we used before.
And I did some good job.
Yes. Okay. We're going to make a hole where the tree is going to go. Right. So this right here is where you need to take the soil out. So we're going to make a hole, right? And you're just going to push it to the sides and make a hole. So you can do it with your hands, it's fine. Okay. We're going to put some, this is fertilizer in there. We're going to put some of that in there so that it will help the tree grow.
What is that? It's
a general purpose fertilizer. Does that smell good or is it stinky? Stinky. That's all the good stuff that the plant wants. Okay. So remember when we got the other ones out, what did we need to do in order to get the plant out of the pot? Like, you had some dirt. What did you have to do? Well, we had to squeeze it a little bit. We want to be, before you just had dirt, this has a plant. We want to be careful. There's roots that are delicate, and then we're going to turn it, and you're going to squeeze it a little bit more. Down here. Let's going to squeeze it. Okay. I'm going to lift it out, and you're going to put the dirt around it. Okay. So I'm going to lift this out. Oh, look, it's coming right out. Now, hang on, before we do it, see the roots down here? We want to loosen these up just a little bit so that they're going to spread out in there. Okay. I'm going to put it down in here, and you're going to put the soil all around it. Push it up. We don't want any air pockets. So we've got some more dirt in here. I'm going to dump this in. Okay.
Now we have a little mountain.
Yep. We've got more in there. I think we might, yeah. There we go. I think we might make this a little taller in here, you know? I think we do. So we're going to actually go like this, and then we're going to fill some dirt in around it. Okay, so here's, dump it in there. Whoops. Yeah, there you go. Okay. We're going to need more. So, yeah. Hold on to there you go. And then what I'll do, so you can reach the back part, is I'm going to turn it a little bit. All right? Get it turned in there.
Squish it.
I'll do that part, okay? We've got to have more dirt in there first.
This is my first time being in a video, so like and subscribe.
Okay.
Ding.
Thank you. Okay, see? Break it up. Really good.
We need a little dry dirt.
It's okay. We're going to water this tree in really well when we're done. Let's try to get all the dirt in there carefully. Get it all in there. There we go. All right. Okay. Let's get the rest of that dirt in here on top. And then we're going to water this in, and we're going to put some mulch on top. Do you know what the mulch does?
It helps it grow.
Well, the mulch helps keep the moisture in. So when we water it, it helps keep it from evaporating as quickly, okay? Get as much of that in there as you can. You might need to pick some up like that. Try to sprinkle it around if you can. There you go. And we can use your hand to move it around. There you go. Perfect. So, all right. There we go. So get it all nice and moved around, and then we want to pat this in, okay? And let's show them. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
There we go. It's all nice and planted, and what we're going to do is then we're going to water this in. There we go. And we're going to water it in really well, okay? There we go. Oh, do you hear the hummingbird come over to say hi to us? Did you hear it go vroom? That's the hummingbird coming to say hello. Did you hear it? Vroom.
Yeah.
That's the hummingbird because they fly really fast and their wings flap really quickly. All right, there we go. Now got both of these cypress trees planted, and we're going to get these out here in the backyard, and they will be so much happier to be in this much bigger pot. Thanks, Jason, for helping me today get this all potted up. You did a great job here, and thanks for joining us today on
Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
There we go. All right, good job, buddy.